Okay, so you can see what I've done is I've exposed our styrofoam peanut pipe, the easy flow, as it runs through here between catch basin and catch basin. And we just exposed the top of it, a little bit on the sides. And what we're doing is we're going to pour some gravel onto the top. And now, as it rains, it will collect surface water. Remember, this system is designed to pick up subsurface water. However, especially here in Florida, these systems double. They do two jobs. We can collect surface water by adding gravel, letting the water go through the aggregate down into the perforation. It still goes down to the bottom of the pipe and floods upward, but it will work just fine. It's just going to help pick up more water faster. Okay, so we have a brief shower here, and you can kind of see more of what I'm talking about. Remember, what we tried to do here is what we're doing is we're creating a giant channel drain. So we added the gravel on top of that perforated pipe. And you can see the water dripping down. If you see my hand, it's got a lot of water dripping down. It goes right through the gravel into the system. Where there's not gravel, and we have perforated pipe over there as well, but you can see that it slows it down. Water pools up and puddles. When it rains really hard, it's not allowing the water into the system fast enough. We put some atrium grates on here because debris had been coming into the area, filling up with sand and things. We want to make sure that doesn't get into our system. So atrium grates work really good, and they just help keep, grass clippings, sand, rocks, whatever, out of the grate, out of the catch basin. So a good investment. It costs a little bit more. As long as you're not walking over the area, they work really good. So here's the sump pump where it discharges, and even from just that little tiny rain, if you look carefully, you'll see that water coming out of the discharge pipe. Let me get down there. You see that water coming in? It's filling up the pit. The float's almost up. It's going to kick on here any second, and it's going to discharge out front. We'll watch that kick on here. Well, it may stop, but I'll go ahead and kick it on here for you so you can, there it goes. Look how quickly that water is removed from the basin within minutes. I mean, that just pumped, I don't know, within seconds, probably pumped 20 gallons. Again, that water comes out all the way out front here where Chris was digging, and you can see where it discharged right there. Works great. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains reminding you that if you believe you can do something, guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
You are building the French drain wrong. Only I can build a French drain.
You know, we get so many email requests now asking for Sideshow Bob. We decided to go ahead and give him his own French drain channel. Check it out in the description box below. Sideshow Bob.